Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website using CPanel. First, you'll need to log into your web hosting account. Your hosting provider will give you the necessary CPanel credentials, including a username and a strong password. Once you have these, simply go to your domain name followed by /cpanel in your web browser. Enter your details, and you'll be ready to start building your site. Once inside CPanel, look for the Softaculous Apps installer or a direct WordPress icon. These are usually found under the software section. Clicking this icon will launch a user-friendly wizard designed to make installing WordPress incredibly simple. This one-click installer handles many technical steps for you, saving you valuable time and effort. Now you'll configure your WordPress installation. First, select the domain where you want WordPress installed. You can also choose a specific directory if needed. Next, create a robust administrator username and a very strong password for your WordPress dashboard. Don't forget to enter an administrator email address for important notifications and password recovery. Finally, give your site a catchy title and a short description. With all your details entered, simply click the Install button. The Softaculous installer will now automatically set up WordPress for you, which usually takes less than 1 minute. Once complete, you'll receive a confirmation message and the administrative URL. Use this URL, along with your chosen username and password, to log into your brand new WordPress dashboard and start building your amazing website.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.